Remember to cut your fabric to fit. You don't want heavy overlap. So here's a perfect example. You don't want to do this. You don't want to go over your stone and then go over it with a second layer. That is the first mistake. So you can see that Valentine and Valente are both working hard to cut the fabric, and they just want enough to put the fabric pins in to hold it together, and then just put the turf grass on. Now, if your sod cutter doesn't cut your sod nice and thick like ours, because I realize ours is a commercial grade sod cutter and the rental stores do not have them for rent, put some sand on here and then your sod. You know, add a little bit of, you know, subsoil for the roots to grow. And look at, so here's the strips that we're cutting out to make sure we don't have any overlap. All right, everybody, until the next video.